Tonight, industry leaders say what happened to Silicon Valley Bank is unlikely to happen to Wisconsin banks. CBS 58's Michelle Fiore in the newsroom tonight with more. Michelle?
Well, Natalie, the Wisconsin Bankers Association today issuing a statement saying Wisconsin banks do not operate in the manner that caused the failure of Silicon Valley Bank in California and Signature Bank in New York. And for that, investors here can find peace. The collapse of the nation's 16th largest bank has spread fear. President Biden trying to calm it, saying the rest of the banking system is safe, even assuring Silicon Valley bankers that the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation will cover their loss, even above the $250,000 that the FDIC presently assures.
In my opinion, they did what they had to do to ease off major concerns.
Will there ever be taxpayer dollars on the line? And so far, we've been told that that's not going to be the case, that they'll figure out within the federal government a response that won't require taxpayer contribution. We'll keep a strong eye on that, I promise you.
Senator Tammy Baldwin says it's been all hands on deck since the bank run Thursday, when depositors withdrew a total of $42 billion.
If there's panic, there could be a collapse, but this is what we called a self-fulfilled prophecy. If we all believe there's going to be a collapse, there's going to be a collapse.
Word broke last week Silicon Valley Bank was in trouble.
So that generated a bit of a rush to get the funds. Everyone was trying to withdraw their money at that point, and this typically accelerates the process of insolvency.
2008 was the last bank failure of this magnitude, when people were given loans they couldn't repay. The UWM associate professor says what's happening today doesn't even compare.
It's really hard for me to believe that we're going to have a collapse because I don't see the fundamental for the collapse. Sure, there are a couple of things going on, higher interest rates, but banks have risk management teams, so they should be able to deal with that.
So in Wisconsin specifically, we're told the customer base is much more diversified than that of Silicon Valley's, and that the banking system here is on solid footing, according to the most recent report from the FDIC. Live in the newsroom, I'm Michelle Fiore, CBS 58 News.